This for the MM2 training. Oh yeah, okay. So we're gonna do 1VM, okay? So
Tapos gano'n, break ka. Hailey, Diana Itong, hiking. Ilagay ko sa mga ballpen nyo.
how the hell? How about night trainers?
Kailangan ko na unang record mo sa guidance eh. Dahil sa ballpen. Ano? Ayaw kumain?
Kinakain na to.
Diba?
Ito.
Teka lang.
Ah!
Tatayo na. Ay, ang arte mo.
Ayaw ko kumakain. May hawak na tablet ah.
So you're
Huwag
going...
yung sapatos.
Andahan oy!
Stop nitong sapatos mo. Huh? Sikat naman. Sikat naman.
Ate mo pag gamit niya yan eh. Ipunta.
Sige po.
Wait lang.
Huwag nagusot yung notebook ko.
Oh. Ate, kuha mo nga.
Ang tatay mo. Nakaharang ka dun.
Wait, wait. I think it's right there. Yes. Huh? Is this a hitbox?
Lagyan mo yung sukab.
That was easy. What?
Ewan ko ba't lagi suka kinukuha niya? May gravy naman.
Oh! How the hell did I miss it? How the
Wala
hell?
kang baby doon?
Eh, ba't yung lagi kinukuha?
What the hell?
Aray ko ba yung gusto nyo? Yung kung ano kami ng manok, ano, suka. Nakahay na yan.
Wait, how the hell? How about a roasted camper though?
Susubukan ka ngayon ha.
Wait. How about I go here?
Tipid ka ha.
I'm so matalino.
Nasa si Arkin.
Bigyan mo na ako ba ulit?
Natipid sa ano yan. Pag sinabi niya itlog lang ulam, itlog lang.
Oh my god. I hate some roasted campers
Kang
now.
arte-arte. Ang gusto mo ibang baon, bumili ka.
How the hell did I miss the straight shot?
Peto ka ng
How the
gamit.
hell?
Sabihin
Finally.
ko, ano, matagal pa yan.
Sorry, sumusa ka naman masyado.
Bimakmak ang init.
What the hell? Oh my god. That's the perfect split.
Napakain sila.
I failed to make my mission real. Wait, I know this one.
Saan ka na?
Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the knife throw.
Arkin,
Halika rito kung may upuan ng puti.
Wait.
bitawa mo yan. Alam mo na yan. Ayaw ko kumakain. Sige, nasa mo yan.
Nagkagawa ka ng video.
Wala akong pakailan. Dun.
Post ko din.
Kumakain. Kaya yun.
Ah.
si Yara, hindi na tumigil kaka-tablet. Grade 2 ka na, uy! Ako dyan kay Eli. Nagkain ako dito eh.
Yung ink.
Ano? Round?
Ink. Wala pa. Black lang binili ko eh.
Pag-block ano kailangan mo?
Hindi, yung gitna wala.
Ay, isa-isa ka na. Tabot pa naman.
That was easy.
Diba?
Wait, I forgot to share everything.
Kasi ba't magkano ba sa online?
Hindi na ako kahapon.
Hindi nga kasi natin alam yung lagya pa yung printer, diba? Ano ba yung sa paggawa?
Wait. Why the hell to share the whole thing?
Kaya nga. Pag sabihan mo yung anak mo malaki, baka mamaya mag-print na naman mag-print yan.
Pwede ba photo paper?
Pwede, bubuka ba? Printer yan.
Or box na yun?
Hindi.
Ililipat mo na yung mga item sa photo paper.
Sticker paper mo, pwede.
Di ba sa Word din?
Diyan sa printer.
Ano pa kunin? ICT ha?
Eh, wala lang sabi mag-ICT ako.
How about I don't play any more music? I'm kinda interested.
Ay, wala kang ulam.
I'll watch YouTube.
Kaya
Sinabi ko na 1,000. 1/4 na lang yan.
Saan? Wala, tira.
1/4 kilo.
Wala na naman sa wallet.
Yung bari ako.
Really, birthday ka na si Kuya.
Ano mo ka na next day? Ano yun?
Yan.
Ano eh?
Ano ko?
Picky eaters fall behind on growth. Give them the new Ascenda Kid from Wyeth.
Ang bawi.
Miha, it's okay. You'll be okay.
Mama pala.
Put her in my machine. We can send her to a motion world where she will be safe.
Good luck, Miha. We love you.
Oh, don't sound of anything yet. It's looking dangerous out there. Oh, wait. What's this? Huh? I don't know if we should touch that, Aaron. It could be super dangerous. Well, danger happens to be my middle name.
Whoa! Hi! Nice to meet you all! Who are you?
Wait, calm down. This is Emotion World, and I'm pretty sure you're an emotion. I'm Anchor, and that's Beard Sadness over there.
I'm a real emotion? Wait a minute. What about the overworld? Look! There was a whole fire and everything was...
Fire?
Oh my gosh, there was so much destruction and...
It's probably a danger, yeah.
Oh no, that's so sad!
Ba't ikaw lang pinagtito mo?
Guys.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Emotion world is unstable? What? Why would emotions be unstable?
Oh, no.
Oh no,
Calm down, all right. Calm down.
What?
Wait.
Oh, kaya.
My place is disgusted?
What does all this mean?
Oh no! There's nothing we can
Dapat
do
eh,
about it.
makapasa ka sa
We can't
PLN
do
o
anything about it. It's too
basta makasan.
Wait a minute. If this has to do with the overworld, then maybe the overworld is unstable because the emotional world is unstable. This makes sense, right? Let me help you guys out.
TUP?
I may be new.
TUP
but you
may
guys should show me
bayad.
around.
Doon
Yes, we can work together.
graduate
I
kapatid
guess
mo.
we can show you. I'll show you the way. Come on, Casey. You guys go ahead. I'll stay at the command center.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, someone trying to break in.
All right, to
Eliza.
the play place. Let's go.
Okay.
Eliza.
Ooh, check this place out. This is amazing.
Ano?
TUP dun sa
What
may Santa Mesa.
the?
TUP si Eliza,
Ooh,
TIP.
we got bigger. Check it out.
Yuyupi
Must have
daw.
grown up. I mean, we kind of had to. Otherwise, we couldn't ride the rides. Be too short.
Ang haba ng kapatid mo.
Wait, jump for joy? Did you guys get a power or
Hindi
something?
mo alam, di ba? Ako alam ko, di ba?
TUP.
Well, I can show it off later. Let's focus on what we gotta do here to fix the. Ooh,
Yung isa lang pagtiteka mo lang.
Kaya lang pinagtake
gosh,
kasi
this
hindi
is
siya nakapasok.
disgusting. Ew.
Lahat pagtiteka mo.
Absolutely gross.
I
UDM,
mean, it's not so
PLN.
bad. I mean, you can use these.
Yeah, but you're jumping on trampoline. I might have vomit. That
And then up.
Ay, nagawa ko sa PUP. Ayaw ng tatay mo.
Tapos,
Sorry, that happens a lot to me.
It's okay.
basta dyan na lang
Maybe we
siya.
should leave the trampolines alone. We gotta figure out why this is turning green. They look sick.
Lagi siya nag-
What the?
sa Google, di ba?
Hey, what are you doing?
What are you throwing grape soda everywhere?
That's rude. What the?
No, I don't.
Hey, excuse me. Knock it off and stop ruining this place. That'd be nice. Thanks.
Yan ang
I'm gonna
makulit
need to
kasi
play by
ako
myself.
nag-take ako ng
There was
exam
something
ng
disgusting about this
sa
place.
lahat.
Shut up.
Kung bobo ka, lagi ka nagsisearch sa Google, wala. Wala kang stock knowledge eh.
Get out of this room clean, okay? Listen, hide.
Gila mo ko.
Ano yun? Ano kami?
Why don't you try one ride? Maybe you'd actually enjoy it. But no, you can't make me. I can't make you. But maybe if you don't go on the ride, Casey will be really, really sad. Oh, I care about her. She's gonna cry so much. Super annoying. Okay, I'll go on one ride to stop crying. Ugh, I'm covered in salty tears. Ugh. Huh? Hey, the play place is emotionally stable. Nice. I guess emotions are better, okay? You mean like this? What the?
It's the play place. We are discovered. I'm getting rid of her.
Hey, Nick, out of here. I
Get
tried.
out of here.
Well, I've been joyous for so long until it's time to get you. Bye. Bye, girl. Get out. Shit. You know what? Teamwork really does make the dream work.
Yeah, something like that.
Let's keep positive. High school is too embarrassed? Oh, huh.
Don't worry. And hi-yo!
What's up with him?
Pero
Okay.
daw silang
There we
daw yung tuition fee.
Never mind.
We did it! Woo!
Okay,
Casey, can stop crying, Nick.
Dude.
kukuha ka ng scholar. Yung 12. Wala na yung gago. Ano pa ni Kopong-Kopong yun?
Already a little
I got fire.
The embarrassment. Come on, Aaron, let's go check it out. Huh. This is high school. Huh. Well, let's go. What?
Wow.
Oh. Whoa, these growth splurts are crazy.
Yeah, look at his hands.
May
Whoa.
voucher po ako.
Glad I was with someone this time. Yeah, I hate to be alone.
Well, I'm here now. And we're going to go inside and figure out what's so embarrassing about high school.
Well, what I've heard is
Saka
everything.
Hailey, bawat entrance exam may bayad, di ba? Diba?
Oh, what's going on?
Wala na?
Huh? Why is he running away?
Video lang mo.
I think we found the problem.
Wait, look at those stuffed Crocs.
Kasi dati,
What's going on? The Crocs are fine. What's wrong with them?
This school's only big enough for one meeting, and that's me.
What?
Haka, I don't like you. How do you know my name? Clap for Lane. She just made my day.
Wala ka na mabuti, kaya nakikita mo dun.
Ano na namin libre ang go?
Saan?
Yo, girl. I don't
Saan? Yung libre, gago. Bumasok sila dyan ng 1,000. Uniform nga, magkano? Abot ka ng 4. Libre. Wala ka na naman. Bobo ka ba? University yun eh.
Nakapasok lang dun yung matatalino.
Grabe ka naman sa akin.
Hindi.
Siyempre mag-i-exam ka rin.
Juicy lambot sarap. Pang inasal pork
Yung iba
barbecue.
dun
99 pesos.
pinapasok. Minsan may pera, minsan yung iba dun nakakasok ako may pera. Ako kasi makaya.
yung full scholar. Ano ang full scholar? Kaya hindi mababagay dito.
Ay, kala ko yung 5, ano mo ta?
Bobo, pinakamataas eh. Ano nga kami yung grade ko?
Diba ba?
Ano kami grade ko? Pinakamababa ko na. Dos, di ba? Yung 5. Baksak ako dun. Kami nila Tita Grace mo. Binaksak ako na.
Ano ka lang? Ano lang? Sabi nga ni Lola, basa ka daw sa social studies.
Uy, wala kang gano'n.
Puro uno ko, Lister.
Namatay na panta. Kaya lahat yun, FPU, lahat yun, puro business ka rin, no? Yung magkakapatid na yan, eh. Nag-asawa, pero kaya consistent Vince Lister.
Ano ba yung dance sister?
Puro uno.
Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng 1.2. Magna cum laude, di magna. Hindi mo malabas eh.
Say, ano yung, ano ba yung, may trabaho na gawin eh.
Sa,
Hindi ikaw mag-aarap trabaho ron. Sila
kaya
mag-aarap.
mag-aanap sa'yo. Yun eh. Ano yun eh, kinuha yun ng P-box, no? P-box yung kakaroon ba?
Psychology ba? Tuloy na siguro. Hindi, science yun. Nakakita ko sa
Baka matalin yun. Ako kung di ako ginulo ni Mama, sana.
Baba ka magbuka, Degi.
Keng! Ano ba? Pangalan natin tumakbo dito yung isa lang na huli. Lahat mo na kinuha ko, puro bala. Hayley, hindi ako ginulo ng tatay mo, sana din
Or ginala mo si Mama. Sabi niya, Lola, pag nakita kayo dalawa sa social studies.
Ha? Yung sabi? Ano
Okay
yung,
nga daw, di ba?
tanongin mo yung nanay ko kung may baksak ako. Mataas grade 2, tanga. Diba binaksak lang ako sa math na college algebra.
Si Mama, pag
Oh!
doon eh. Pag ano ba yung basta mo yung may love sa doon?
Kayo? Ako, hindi pa nag-uumpisa klase, binaksak na ako, kakamit pa lang sa teacher. Binaksak pa lang. Wala naman kasi ang cellphone ng college na damay pa ako. Susubukan pa naman sana matuto ng math. Dito lang ako ito. At least di ako napagod.
Hindi matapos.
Wala, akala ko matapos ko yung baso. Kasi may yatot. May yatot pa kayo, no? Ano? Kailangan matapos mo yan, boy.
Wala ako sa'yo! Umaga pa lang, amoy pawis ka na. Mag-diet na!
Sa iba, tinatakpan lang kasi ng bango ang hindi pa talaga nalilinis. Pero sa Tide, tapos ang linis. Totoong mabango ka sa Tide.
Ano ni? Sila? Ang alin?
On Roblox.
Ano sila?
People, stop teasing me.
They are so evil, but there's nothing I can do. Hoo hoo hoo.
Pakulong sa labang to. Para kayo sa maso.
Hindi, plastic mo.
No, sige na.
May garapan.
Doon o.
Nalapitan mo ba?
Gigiwit mo lang. Dito o.
Kanyo?
Sabi yung metro ng tubig.
Yung nasasarabi. Sila bang di nagsasarabi?
Today, we are going to be doing a Monster High character-themed bedroom mega build battle. We are going to have 5 people building, including myself, so 6 people in total. We have here 6 different